How to clear ChatGPT full memory? So if you are facing the problem like your ChatGPT memory full, then I will show you how you can clear it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the ChatGPT. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my ChatGPT window, and you can see. Okay, I don't have problem in as a memory full, but I will show you how you can clear it. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on this profile icon, go to the settings, and here you can see the setting window. And now we need to go in personalizations options, and here you can see the memory. Okay, so here you can see you can on off the memory option. So if you off it, so this problem will won't be come again, but I suggest you make it, keep it off on for better result. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can clear it. Here you can see the clear the chart gpt memory, you can clear from here. But if you want to clear one by one, you need to go just manage to chart gpt memory, and here you can see all your memory, so you can delete one by one from here. I don't have, but if your memory is full, then it will be show here. You can also clear memory all from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.